Okay, my people, let's like this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. We're making this stuffed chicken breast with bacon and Gouda cheese. Gouda cheese, not any cheese, Gouda cheese. Here we have a medium size chicken breast. We're gonna put a film of plastic over it so we can hammer it down and flatten this chicken breast. And the plastic is actually to prevent the splattering of little chunks of chicken all over your kitchen. So you hammer this until it's actually thin, but you don't want to break it apart. So you hammer it until you get to the right thickness without breaking the chicken breast. And here we have it. Look how beautiful it is. And now we're gonna season this with salt and pepper. So I'm using 50-50 salt and pepper here. You can use any seasoning of your preference, like I always say, but remember, if you follow my recipe, you're gonna like it. So I'm gonna use also garlic powder here. So 50-50 salt and pepper, and then garlic powder here. And I'm gonna use a little bit of cilantro here. This is optional, but I love it. I love it. So it's gonna taste. If you have parsley, you can also do that as well. And when I spray this with some butter, spray with butter. So I want to keep that moisture inside. And here you have it. I'm using turkey bacon. You can use any bacon that you like, but I'm trying to stay healthy here. So I'm using turkey bacon, and I'm gonna use this Gouda cheese that they brought me from Aruba, baby. Yep. You had it right. Gouda cheese straight from Aruba, and I'm gonna put it here just like that. And now we have to roll this very tight to keep everything inside our chicken breast. So roll it tight without breaking your chicken breast. Roll it all the way down. I'm gonna get some toothpicks here to keep it closed. So I'm gonna turn this upside down. I'm using a wooden toothpick here. You're gonna make sure that everything stays inside your chicken breast. You don't want anything coming out of there while we are cooking this. So I'm gonna add some salt and pepper as well on the outside here, because we had only seasoned one side. So a little bit more salt and pepper here on the outside, and there you have it. So here you have them. This is how they should look. I made 2 of those just for me and my wife. If you have more, you can make more, but I only needed 2. So I'm gonna do this cook this actually in the air fryer. You can use any other method like oven or deep frying, but I'm gonna use the air fryer here because I think it's better and more healthy. And I'm gonna set this up for 370 Fahrenheit. 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And instead of 40 minutes, I'm gonna lower that to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. There you have it. 20 minutes, 370 degrees, and after 20 minutes, this is how they should look. You see how beautiful they turn out. I'm gonna check for temperature here. Anything above 160, we are safe to go. So I have 180, I have 170, I have 171. So we're good. We're good. This is fully cooked. So I'm gonna grab one of these babies and put them on my plate here. I plated with some spinach leaves and some steamed potatoes there as well. So you take the toothpicks out. You don't need it anymore because everything is inside. Look at how gorgeous that is. Don't tell me that it's not super beautiful. You don't know if you want to kiss it or if you want to eat it. So there you have it. Stuffed chicken breast with bacon and Gouda cheese inside. There you have it. I'm going to open this up so you can see how beautiful it is inside and how everything stays actually inside our chicken breast. There you have it. You see the cheese, you see the bacon as well, and there you have it. Enjoy it. You gotta try this one. I'm telling you, this is a good one. This is a good and easy one. This video was only like 4 to 5 minutes, and it is that easy. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. Until next time.